Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix music failed to play track error on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again click on restart and you will see your problem is solved. So after restarting, enter your phone pin. Your problem is not solved. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Samsung Music from here. Select music and click on storage and click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on Play Store and search music and select app from here and click on install. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix music failed to play track error on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.